Hello there, YouTube. Out on the Goldwing today. Today is December 23rd. Still a nice day. I haven't acclimated yet to the weather, but it's pretty nice. Using the Hero 7 black today. I always use the Hero 9, but it's so big and heavy. It just bothers your top of my head because the helmet's heavy and my neck. So I'm back to the Hero 7. Even with the plastic case and the brick mic adapter, it weighs less than the Hero 9. And I'm sure the video's every bit as good. Probably not quite as stable, but I think it is. I think this still has image stabilization. I went back to the other GoPro remote because it works with the 7 black but not the 9 black, so I'm back to the old GoPro remote. I'm sure it'll work with this one too, the other generic one. But it's a beautiful day. Don't really have a topic to talk about though. Just hope everyone has a fantastic Christmas and a happy New Year. You know, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching.